Good evening. Today we're going to talk about a lot. Welcome back, everybody. So yeah, we've upgraded the lens. We've took the creative criticism from the comments from the last video, which is up here somewhere. I agree the lens focusing thing was an issue. It's a really, really good lens. Check this out. I mean, wow. Okay, anyway, so straight into this. It's still freezing cold, and I'm so excited for the summer. I mean, this is going to be so much easier. So I hope you guys appreciate that we're outside here freezing our tits off. Ugh, it's awful. Kind of focused on the interior. I'm trying to spice it up a little bit and do things that I've not seen people do. So what I want to show you, something called EL lights. Now it's kind of like interior mood lighting. I'll just go show you. So what we're going to do is put these around the door cards. So let's just go ahead, get straight onto it. So the EL lights, they take a 12 volt feed. We need to remove the door card, figure out whether there's a 12 volt, tap into that. I personally aren't going to be taking this off because I'm terrible using a screwdriver to try and pop those rivet things off, so enjoy the back of Jamie's head. Okay, so you don't actually need to remove the door card, but really, if you've got a trim tool, those little plastic sort of like hooks, that's going to save you a lot of heartache in case you damage that plastic. We don't have it. Surprisingly, we really should, the amount of stuff we do. Rather than remove the whole door card, because I'm pretty sure behind here is going to be nothing but science. And the idea is we're going to obviously come through somewhere where no one can see, wrap all the way around here, and then because it's recessed in, if you've got a 370Z or anything like this, you're going to have the same sort of style, and it's going to glow this sort of like bevel all the way up red, I hope. Otherwise it's going to look really, really tacky. I get to do this so you don't have to. And by me, I mean Jamie gets to do it. So now that we found our wires and we needed to make sure we had like a 12 volt, the EL wire comes with a 12 volt inverter, which changes your DC into an AC. In the 370, you want to tap into the pale blue, which is a live, ignition live anyway, so the lights don't permanently stay on. You want them to come on with ignition, turn off when your car's finished. And your black is your earth. What we can do is put the EL wire through a hole, which we're going to make. Bring the EL wire around the door card, and then every time we turn the switch on, this should light up, which means this little bevel will glow up, and then when we turn the ignition off, boom, it's turned off again. By the way, guys, this is going to look really, really cool. We've done this once before, so we know it's going to look cool. Drilled the hole through the inside of the door card, so then in case you screw up, which we didn't luckily, however, if you do screw it up, drill a hole so you can fit the EL wire through, and then we get to step 2. Now, this stuff is only a meter long if you're trying to replicate what we're doing. There are 2 versions. This version has like a little tab. Okay, now that's designed so that you can stuff this in dashboard, if you want to do it around your door card or on your center console. This extra bit doesn't light up. It's just there for support, so you can stuff that in. Like you've seen on the door card, we've just tucked it in, pushed it in really tight, and made sure it's holding itself. So let's get back to installing this. Okay, that's pretty much the video. I hope you enjoyed it. So what I want to know is if you guys think it's worth it. In my opinion, I'm pretty all for this. I think this looks absolutely killer, but it's up to you. You guys make the decision. I think this, especially with the sort of like the Nismo stuff we're going to be going with, this is going to be pretty cool. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I'd love to know if you guys have done any more interior mods or anything like that, because I'm still trying to find things we can do and just be a little bit different. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Give it a thumbs up if this is something that's helped you out or you've really enjoyed it. And until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.